Hey everyone, Hash here from Hashtag and welcome back to my channel. 2 days before Sony Xperia 1 Mark II and Xperia 10 Mark II officially announced. Yesterday I uploaded a video about flagship Sony Xperia 1 Mark II features and specs. Anyway, let me give some features of Xperia 10 Mark II, which is mid-ranger from Sony that is powered by Snapdragon 665 chipset and doesn't support 5G connectivity. The Sony Xperia 10 Mark II comes with a 6-inch Full-HD Plus OLED panel with a 21:9 aspect ratio. Further, in the front packs 3600 mAh battery with a Xperia adaptive charging that adjusts level of power going to the cell, has the biggest battery of any Sony mid-ranger to date with 25% more than last year's Sony Xperia 10. On the back, it has a 12 megapixel main snapper, an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle shooter with 16 mm focal length, and an 8 megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom. Sony added an 8 megapixel sensor for front, placed on the top bezel. Besides, the Sony Xperia 10 II is also water resistant and dust tight with IP65 or 68 rating, and on the front and the back added Gorilla Glass 6 protection. Under the hood, the Sony Xperia 10 II will have an efficient Snapdragon 665 chipset. The phone priced at Rs 28,999 for a 4G version, available in black and white exteriors. That's all for today guys, so let me know your thoughts about the Sony Xperia in the comment box. I will see you all tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more updates about the smartphones, and also don't forget to hit that notifying bell icon. Thanks for watching it. Hamashkar from Hashtag.